Hi, my name is Rob Noon, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how much money does the king of do-it-yourself make on YouTube. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. The king of do-it-yourself started his channel back on March 8, 2010. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 824,000. Total amount of views are 163 million. Average daily subs are currently at 1,314, and monthly subs are at 39,424. Now let's talk about his daily income, and this is going to be an estimate. Daily views are at 199,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. Daily income is $597. Monthly income is $17,910. Now his annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate, income is $214,920. YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $118,206. Now let's talk about merchandise. The king of do-it-yourself merchandise. Now this is some pictures of his t-shirts that he sells. And he currently has 824,000 subs. And let's say 1% of his subs buys his t-shirts, which is equal to 8,240. His average price point is $20. He makes $10 profit per shirt. So 8,240 times 10 is about 82,400 per month. 82,400 times 12 is $988,800, which is a lot of money. Thank you guys. You guys, get your free audiobook, link in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.